Hi everybody, my name is Logan Lemler. I'm with Lionheart Automation Systems. This video will be about 12 minutes of your valuable time, so please grab a notepad and a pen so you can take notes. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can be a part of a massive opportunity that is only growing substantially every single year. And that is the e-commerce market, and that just hit 1 trillion in 2022 and is continuing to skyrocket. This is going to be best if viewed on a laptop or a desktop, so you are able to see some of the examples of some of our current clients, the spreadsheets, and some breakdown of the numbers. Now let's get into it. A lot of people want to know, how does Amazon and Walmart automation actually work? So in a nutshell, we handle everything a business owner in retail sales would need to take care of in a franchise like Home Depot or Target. But we are actually selling products completely online on Amazon and Walmart's platforms. We currently manage over 300 active Amazon and Walmart seller accounts. We would handle everything, the product research, managing listings, providing customer service, doing the returns, handling the shipping, packaging, labeling, creating the accounts, along with, maintaining our warehouses, hiring new employees, training them, and adding infrastructure so that we can grow as well. Now, why would you want to work with us? And how are we different than any other company offering this service? First of all, the majority of other companies offering this service are dropshipping, which is not allowed under Amazon or Walmart's terms and conditions whatsoever. So this is mainly why stores get suspended 98% of the time. Now, in simple terms, dropshipping is when you list and sell products that you don't physically have in a warehouse, that you ship from a company like Alibaba directly to the customer after they purchase it. So you don't actually have these products. And we are 100% compliant with Walmart and Amazon and their terms and conditions, with 0 suspensions in 2022 and 2023. We don't have any fake tracking or different boxes or receipts when the items arrive, which means much less returns. All of our warehouses are US based. Our main Walmart warehouse is in Irvine, California. My partner Brandon manages the one in Mosinee, Wisconsin. And our FBA manager runs the warehouse in Boston, Massachusetts. Lastly, we do not have an annual renewal fee. Normally this is about $5,000 to $10,000 per year, which other companies also try to squeeze out of you. Next question. What kind of products are we going to be selling, and what kind of margins are we seeing? So we are selling products that we have acquired from reputable companies that already have partnerships with Amazon, established themselves as major brands on the market, like Sterilite, Mattel, and Fisher-Price, including products fulfilled by Amazon, FBA, Walmart Fulfillment Services, and by us. And we are mainly selling necessities, products people are going to be needing on a day-to-day basis. So when the inevitable recession hits, our stores aren't going to lose any sales revenue because people don't want to buy Xboxes. In fact, they may increase, like cleaning products, for example. In the past 2 years, our margins have increased on Amazon from 10 to 15% to 20 to 30%. And on Walmart, they are at a staggering 40 to 90% margin. Next question, will this ever get saturated? So selling on platforms like Amazon or Walmart, whilst consistently researching products that are proven to be successful on these platforms, is never going to get saturated. These are companies that have been on the Fortune 500 list since they opened their doors. They have a continuously growing amount of visitors to their sites that scales profits organically. So there is no need for us to advertise. Have you seen what Jeff Bezos is doing? Blue Origin purchases rocket ships. Plus, the e-commerce market has been continuously growing every single year, and people still want more convenience. Have you ever heard of someone complain about Amazon's overnight delivery or same-day delivery? Or are they raving about paying for Prime and getting that item from 2 to 6 that same day? Also, guys, today's economy has been transitioning from brick and mortar to click and order for the last 2 decades, and that's not slowing down anytime soon. AI is only going to improve that. So we want you to be able to take advantage of this massive digital age opportunity, while companies like us only have over 300 clients on board. What are you going to be doing on a daily basis? So we will need your information in the beginning to get everything started. We will walk you through the setup process with our admin team. We're going to put you in a group chat. After that, you can let us handle absolutely everything. We're going to pick the products, fulfill all the orders, do all the customer service, the returns. You can actually sit back, you can look at everything live from your phone or your laptop. Are you going to have access to your store? Of course. You're going to have full rights, full access to your store. You're going to be able to do everything that we are able to do. You're just going to grant us permissions. Although we don't recommend that you do any other work, because that is our job. That's what our services are. But you are more than welcome to, with discussion on products that you would like to add. You can stop using us at any time you wish, and you can also sell the store, and you can log in and check up on your store as much as you'd like. How do you get paid? So we will have you set up a business checking account under your name and your company, because of course you will need an LLC for this. And the funds will be released to that account bi-weekly. And you will be notified by email every time you are paid, and how to easily pay the 30% or 40% profits to us via invoice, depending on what profit split you go with. We also recommend reinvesting what you get paid back into inventory, paying off credit cards, etc., keeping your full-time job until it's really scaled, so your store will grow more rapidly, and you can keep investing into yourself, and you can earn more cash flow in the long run. And the big kahuna question: how much does it cost to get started? Now let me give you a quick example real quick. So the minimum total investment to start up a Burger King franchise is $300,000. Profits average out at about $50K a year, including building all the infrastructure needed, paying your employees, which is a good option, if you want a more hands-on business with employees and duties. And if you don't mind taking 6 years to earn that initial investment back. On the other hand, our clients are averaging at about $60,000 per month sales revenue, which depends on how much you are able to supply for working capital, of course, on credit or liquidity. And profit margins, like I said, are about 20 to 30% on Amazon and 40 to 90% on Walmart. Our startup cost is anywhere from 15 to 30K, depending on the profit split you would prefer. And our clients are making anywhere from 2 to 20K per month. Here's some of our current clients' results on Walmart. I'm going to round the numbers just to make things a little bit more easy to understand. So Walmart client number 1, they spent $650 on inventory. We sold that product for $4,700. Walmart takes their 15%, which was $700. Shipping costs were $1,200. Net profit for this month for this client was $1,400 with an ROI of 61.4%. On to Walmart client number 2. They spent $1,550 on inventory. We sold that product for $9,400. Walmart took their 15%, which was $1,400. Shipping costs were $1,600. Net profit was $3,500 for this month with an ROI of 95%. Walmart client number 3, they spent $2,500 on inventory. We sold that product for $15,200. Walmart took $2,300. Shipping costs were $3,800. Net profit was $4,400 for this month with an ROI of 52%. And the question that will be plaguing everyone's mind, how do I know you're not going to take my money? Or how do I know that I can trust you? Now, we felt like we definitely needed to include this slide because a lot of people deal with unethical companies in this online space, especially ones that give outlandish promises and have very bad communication with their clients because they know they're not doing what they're supposed to be doing. Now, we have full transparency here. We set the right expectations for our clients, and we have clients who will happily tell you about their experiences with us. We have many different package options to choose from, so we can help you decide which financial obligation you are willing to commit to, and so you won't be left with a tough financial burden, like purchasing a car you cannot reasonably afford. Because I cannot stress this enough, this business requires money to make money. Like if you want to purchase $2,500 in inventory, you better be ready to have 20 to 30K on hand, on credit or liquidity to be able to make that happen. Keep in mind the profit split. That is in place because this is our incentive to grow your store and make it profitable so that we can make money on it as well. And you're not just a liability. And so we can grow our business. We're both under a legally binding contract that we'd be happy to go over with you. And if you don't get approved the second time over, you can actually get a refund, no questions asked. We never had to do this because our approval odds are very good, but we also have a replacement store guarantee. So if anything unexpected were to happen to your store, we will just build you a new LLC and a new store. This is all written in the contract as well. We have taken over multiple clients from other companies that have ghosted them or didn't do anything on their store, and those clients are extremely happy now. And after hearing all that, what most people say is, I want to get started now. What do I do? All you have to do, guys, is click the link below this video or the button to get in contact with us. We just need your name, email, phone number, and a time zone so we can call you at an appropriate time that works for you. Then someone on my team is going to reach out to you. We're going to ask you a couple of quick questions about your finances just to make sure that you do qualify. We're going to answer all your questions, go over the contract with you. We're going to make sure that you are 100% comfortable before you get anything started. Thank you guys for watching our business overview video. We look forward to connecting with you, working with you, and making as much money as we possibly can.